Welcome back to our second tutorial. In our previous tutorial, I went over how to install Node.js. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to install Truffle. But before we get into that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already, so that you can get notifications every time we drop a new video. If you love the content that we produce and enjoy learning on how to turn NFTs into games, visit our Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/NFT Game Devs and share our page or buy us a coffee. Every donation goes towards creating free content so that you can continue to learn how to be an NFT game developer. All right, let's install Truffle. The first thing we're going to do is go to Google and type in Truffle Suite and go to the Truffle website. Then scroll down to Truffle, Smart Contracts Made Sweeter, a world-class development environment, testing framework, and asset pipeline for blockchains using the Ethereum virtual machine, also known as the EVM, aiming to make life as a developer easier. So we're going to go ahead and click on GitHub repo. And to install Truffle, we're going to need the command line. So I'm going to go to search on my computer, start search, and type in CMD. Open up the command prompt. And Truffle has to be installed inside of a folder. So we're going to create a new folder using the command line. So the functions that we're going to use for that is going to be make directory, which is mkdir, and we're going to call our folder example1. Now we want to go into that folder that we just created, which is example1. The command for that is cd example1. And now you'll see that we are now in the users PCI example1 folder, the folder that we just made. The next thing we're going to do is go back to the GitHub and copy the npm. Do not copy the $, just copy the npm install -g truffle. And that command is going to install the truffle inside of the folder that we just made. And I'm going to just copy and paste that. So what I did to copy that is I highlighted it and I did Control C. If you're on a Mac, it's probably going to be Apple C, and then to paste it, I'm going to Control V or Apple V, and then hit enter. And that's going to install Truffle inside of that folder. Depending on your connection, that'll determine how long it's going to take for it to install. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and once it's done installing, I'll be right back. You shouldn't get any errors within the process of it installing. All right, I'm back. My installation has completed. This is what it should look like once you have completed your installation. You should see all of these warnings. Some of them say depreciated, might be 6 vulnerabilities. Right now, you don't have to worry about those. If you want to fix those can be fixed by running these commands down here to address the issues that do not require attention. Run the npm to address all issues possible. Run npm audit fix -force. But like I said, you don't have to worry about that right now. That will not affect the process as we move forward into the next tutorial. This completes the Truffle installation tutorial. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial, where we'll go over how to install Atom and start writing our first Solidity contract.